Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best cheap makeup brushes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Real Techniques Core Collection Hand-Cut Hair Design Makeup Brush Set. Real Techniques is a well-known brand for quality makeup brushes which last for a very long time. This core collection brush set contains 4 brushes with a very handy brush case. The 4 brushes include a detailer brush, pointed foundation brush, buffing brush and contour brush. The neat orange and matte black color scheme makes the brushes easily identifiable. The black rubber grip allows easy handling. The brushes give a soft custom finish which makes the makeup stay longer. The brand is known for its quality and durable makeup brushes which are soft and do not shed. The 4 brushes make for a perfect face brush set and make the makeup last longer. At number 4, Real Techniques Makeup Brush Set with 2 Sponge Blenders. Real Techniques is one of the first brands to bring prestige quality, award-winning, and innovative tools at a great value to the beauty-obsessed around the world. Since 2011, we have been creating tools and accessories to help make the most of your favorite makeup. With a beauty community of over 5 million, Real Techniques strives to inspire, educate, and empower their fans to make the most of their favorite products. Whether you're striving for your best no-makeup look or about to make your runway debut, Real Techniques has the perfect tool for you. Look for tools that cover, blend, define, and sweep with precision and apply evenly. From brush sets to specialty application sponges, find your perfect tool to help you apply your concealer, foundation, BB cream, powder, highlighter, contour, blush, eyeliner, shadow, and primer. At number 3, EcoTools Makeup Brush Set for Eyeshadow. EcoTools Makeup Brush Set can be a useful addition to a set of daily beauty routine supplies. It contains 5 brushes, making it an ideal set for a variety of makeup applications. 3 beauty look cards are included to provide useful instructions for achieving specific looks. The EcoTools Start the Day Beautifully kit comes in a handy storage tray for an organized and simple-to-use daily setup. This can help keep your bathroom or beauty space tidy and clean. This set offers a useful way to simplify a morning routine while creating a good look for the rest of the day. The Start the Day Beautifully kit is designed to provide the makeup tools needed to simplify a daily beauty routine and organize a beauty space. At number 2, Artis Elite Collection Mirror Finish Brush. The Elite Mirror Palm Brush design was inspired by the shape and orientation of the human hand. Encircling the base is a metallized finish dome, a grip band, and a finger indent to assist for ultimate brush stability and control. The palm brush can be used for applying and blending skincare, foundation, blush, highlight, contour and powder. The large size of the palm brush is perfect for applying cosmetic and skincare formulas to the face and body. Finally at number 1, BS Mall Makeup Brushes Premium Synthetic Foundation. The brush set comes in different shapes and sizes to cover you need to do makeup on different areas of the face and it fits for every face shape. The eye brushes made of premium synthetic fiber materials with wooden handle provide an incredible touch and feelings. This master set of eye brushes are ideal for liquids, powders, or creams to produce a beautiful eye and face makeup application. Intended for makeup beginners and enthusiasts, the Rose Gold Makeup Brush Kit is a selected gift for mom, wife, female friends at any occasion: Christmas, Thanksgiving Day, Mother's Day, wedding anniversary and so on. Every woman deserve a professional makeup brush set. So here we are, we bring great value beauty product to our dear customers and we love our brand. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.